Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are in the backwaters of Kerala. We are in Alleppey and we are on a houseboat. So welcome to another video and I hope you guys enjoy this one. Let's go. Today we are taking you on one of the most relaxing, beautiful and iconic travel experiences in all of India. An overnight boat cruise through the backwaters of Alleppey, Kerala. Now, from traditional Kerala food to stunning sunset views and peaceful canals surrounded by palm trees, this is easily one of the best things you can do in God's own country. And at the end of the video, I will let you guys know how much I paid for this trip and what the other options are. So we are just now coming up on our boat, and as soon as we got on the boat, guys, we were welcomed by the crew and got a quick tour of the space. And let me show you here in a second. All right, we got some lime juice as a welcome drink. Okay, guys, let's do a boat tour. So this particular boat is a 2-bedroom boat. And then you can rent anywhere from one bedroom boat to all the way to 5 or 6 bedroom boats that are available. So this is the first bedroom here. A nice large bed, looks pretty comfortable, neatly appointed room, and every bedroom comes with an attached bathroom. So let's take a look and see what we have inside here. Okay, just a standard bathroom, sink and shower and everything else that you need in a bathroom. So looks pretty good, neat and clean. Hello there, guys. All right, and then of course all these bedrooms are all air conditioned, so it's pretty comfortable. And then if you go all the way down, that is the kitchen out there, and there's a hand sink here, hand wash area. Hi again. And then we will proceed to the second bedroom. Let's see what this one looks like. Okay, so this is looks pretty identical to the first bedroom, so just about the same. Nicely well appointed room, neat and clean, and that's what we have here. So now let's kind of head upstairs and see what is out there. Okay, so as we climb up the stairs and come to a landing here, and then to the left we have the dining area, and then we have a nice seating area to relax, maybe have a coffee, have a drink or something, and then a nice little patio right towards the front of the boat. It looks like we've already pushed off and are gently cruising the backwaters. Now, for those folks that are visiting Kerala, I would highly recommend this activity. It's a fun activity and for the full family, so I would highly recommend it. Hey guys, it's time for lunch. Let's see what we have. Wow, it's a beautiful spread here. Okay, so we have rice. We have, this is modu curry, which is made of curd based. That's sambar, guys. Rasam, papad. Fish fry, that's pearl spot, or curry mean in Malayalam, pearl spot, thoran, mirkorti, so this is fry, there's fish curry, salad, pickle, salt. So that's the spread for lunch today. Look at that, guys, looks like it's heavy traffic today. So many houseboats. They all are a little different. Just a teeny bit different. My God, look at all those houseboats. Now, most of these houseboats in Alleppey are modern versions of the traditional, what they call ketuvellums. Those were once used to carry rice across the different waterways in Kerala. We got another party boat going, guys. Look at that. Party going on the boat. Okay, so it looks like we're coming up on a shop up in front, and so they're going to dock the boat. So we'll get off and find some fresh fish, because if you buy the fish, the staff on here, they will cook it for us for dinner. So let's get out there and see what's available. എന്തോ മീനാ ചേച്ചി ഇത്? കരിമീൻ. അത് വലുത്. ഇത് പോംഫ്രെറ്റ്. കിങ് ഫിഷ്. കൊഞ്ച്. ഫ്രഷ് ആണോ? അല്ലേ, പഴയില്ലല്ലോ. ഓക്കെ, ആ
നമുക്ക് മാക്കറലുണ്ട്, ഇത് നമ്മുടെ കലമറി, സ്ക്വിഡ് ഉണ്ട്.
സ്ക്വിഡ്.
നമുക്ക് ജീവനുള്ള ഞണ്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞ് നമ്മുടെ കടലിലെ ഞണ്ടുണ്ട്. കടലുണ്ട്. ഇത് നമ്മുടെ കായലാവലും ഉണ്ട്, ചെമ്പല്ലി ഉണ്ട്, രസ്നാപ്പർ. നിങ്ങൾ എന്തെങ്കിലും വാങ്ങിച്ചു കൊടുത്താൽ അവർ വളർത്ത ചെയ്തു
തരും അല്ലേ?
അപ്പൊ ഇവിടുത്തെ മെയിൻ കൊഞ്ചും ഞണ്ടും കരിമീനും. ഞണ്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞ് കൊഞ്ചും കരിമീനും.
എന്തോ
ഇത് കൊഞ്ച്, ഇവിടെ കായൽ കൊഞ്ച്.
So we got ourselves a red snapper and some prawns. So we'll what they will do here is that they will cut it and kind of clean the fish a little bit, which they're doing right there, and then the staff on the boat will do the rest. Now, do you guys see that speedboat out there? So what these guys do is they go from boat to boat, and then they'll stop by one of those boats and they'll ask you if you want to go on a speedboat ride, and you can choose to accept or decline. I think it costs anywhere between 1,000 and 2,500 rupees. Now, as the day went on, the atmosphere became even more peaceful. Now, the sun started to set over Vembanad Lake, painting the sky a stunning golden and pink colors. Now, around 5:30 to 6 p.m., all the houseboats they anchor near the shore for the night, and this is when you really get to enjoy the silence and beauty of the backwaters. Now, what you're seeing there is a church. I'm not sure what the name of that church is. So if anybody out there knows what the name of that church is, please put it in the comment box, please. And we're almost to our docking point, guys. I think it's just coming right up on the right hand side. Dinner served. Let's see what's for dinner. We've got chicken fry. What's in here? The chapati, or the bread part, and then another chicken kind of curry dish. Dal, vegetable, which is okra. Probably rice, my guess. Yes, it is rice. So that's what's for dinner, folks. So we are going to go ahead and have dinner, and we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. All right, it's a very next day. Good morning, guys. We are up bright and early. Looks like people are out and about. It's a little overcast today, so it's almost 7 o'clock, so they'll be taking off and undocking here shortly, and then we'll probably cruise for a little bit, eat some breakfast, and then by 9 o'clock we'll check out. Okay, my morning coffee is ready, and look at that view. It doesn't get a whole lot better than that. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment box. Okay, so breakfast is ready. So let's see what we got for breakfast. Okay, we have some bread toasted, some butter jam. We have some egg curry, or as they call it, mutta curry, and some fruits. And then of course, guys, they have some appam. So delicious appam, fruits, mutta curry, bread, jam, water. So we're gonna go ahead, eat some breakfast, and then soon after that we'll probably get ready to deboard, and by 9 a.m. we'll be out of the boat. Now, if you're ever visiting Kerala, an overnight houseboat stay in Alleppey is something you absolutely cannot miss. Now, it's peaceful, scenic, and gives you a true taste of Kerala's culture and nature. Now, thank you all for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment and let me know where we should travel next. See you all in the next one.
मैं भी पगला तू भी पगली फिर